Last one.
Here we have a trash cleaning boat, which we love, which is good.
Which is good.
Which is good.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
It's very efficient.
Ooh. I want some of that action. I need this just in my life, but for other things. I just want to, whenever there's a mess.
You want a conveyor belt?
Whenever there's a mess, I just want to roll up like this.
For your boxes?
No, everything. My garage, my living room. I just want to gobble it all up.
Just make it go away.
That's right. Start over. It's cool. Yeah, I'm surprised how grippy it is. Because it starts underwater, but I guess it's actually the boat motion towards the mess is necessary, so that the garbage moves up onto the metallic track. It's cool.
Yeah,
I'm into that. I don't know if it's as sophisticated as that other one we looked at, but this looks maybe a little bit more affordable. Do you remember that other one we were looking at?
Yeah, I think Jack was talking about it.
Tubes around it, right? And it slowly brought things in.
It was like a major unit.
Yeah.
And
They're like, this thing will now live at the end of this river forever.
Yeah.
Just patrolling. This is probably more feasible, more affordable, I'm guessing.
Right.
That rig doesn't look all that complex.
No.
Although
It seems very mechanical.
fill up quickly.
Oh, okay. So just a few trips to shore, I guess.
And then what?
Landfill, I guess.
And then what?
And then back into the ocean.
Oh, well, that's a fun Monday episode. Thank you to everybody who joined us here today. Thank you to everybody in the chat. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you to Mo. Thank you to Will. How about that taste test as well? We got to the bottom of that. Give it a shot yourself. See what you think. Coming up on a next episode, Mo's going to beat the world record for chicken nuggets in a minute. So that's pretty damn exciting. And then we'll, of course, be on top of everything else that happens in the tech world, including that update on the DeLorean launch, which apparently is going to happen between now and tomorrow. And so we'll probably have a better idea, better look at the actual car, and then a better idea of how you buy one or when they're actually going to put them out, or
7 hours.
7 hours from now. So we'll be back with an update on that as well. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. See you later.